Hi, welcome to Tongue News, your source for the latest updates from the Open Network. Today we got major leadership transition at the Tongue Foundation and an inside look at Tongue Strategy Co., the new initiative connecting Toncoin with global finance. Leadership update. Max Crown appointed president and CEO of Tongue Foundation. Tongue Foundation announces Max Crown's appointment as president, expanding his current role as CEO as Manuel Stotz steps down to focus on his new role as executive chairman of Tongue Strategy Co. The transition. Crown's elevation reflects the board's confidence in his leadership. Natural progression in the foundation's governance model. Tongue Foundation well placed to capitalize on current momentum. It's an honor to take on this expanded role and continue building on the incredible foundation many helped establish, said Crown. It reflects the foundation's full confidence in our shared vision to place Tongue at the heart of a decentralized future. If you're ready for more info on the change, be sure to read the full announcement found on the Tongue blog. Tongue Strategy Co., integrating Tongue with global finance. If you're looking to track how Toncoin is integrating with the global financial system, check out Tongue Strategy Co.'s official channels. They are connecting cryptocurrency with traditional markets and next-generation infrastructure to fully integrate Toncoin into the global financial system by collaborating with institutions that are shaping tomorrow's economy today. Expect clear updates on how this impacts the macro and TradFi landscape, as well as the broader Tongue ecosystem. Don't miss out. Follow Tongue Strat and join them on their journey. That's all for today on Tongue News. More updates coming soon. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the Tongue ecosystem.